myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Jess, to the girl with the pretty long hair. How you guys doing? So today, as you guys can tell by the title, here's my cousin again. I'm doing another hair tutorial. I want to thank you guys for getting that video to almost 3K views. So I want to thank you guys so much for that video and all the views and the like and the love and support or whatever. So I was like, here go another one. So as you guys can tell by the title, I am doing, it's kind of like a flat twist style, going all the way to the back, and the end is going to be like 2 chain twist. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And before we get started with this video, I want you guys to like this video, comment on it, subscribe. Also click the little notification bell next to the subscribe button and be more notified for more of my videos. I look a mess, y'all, but don't mind me, I'm working, so. So yeah, we're about to get started with this video. You guys sit back and relax, enjoy, and I hope you learned something. Thank you. Okay, so what we're about to do now is I said it wrong. I said flat twist. It's actually called a barrel twist. So, get one. Another one. Cross it over. Just crossing them over. I'm not pulling or making it too tight. That's all you're doing is just crossing over till you finish, till you get all the way down to wherever you want to stop at. I just tie it on the end. Too tight. The perfect bell twist. Not too tight, nice and neat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna speed this process up. So yeah. Alright, what's up everybody? I'm back. So I want to show you guys the finished result of this style. I also cut his hair, so I didn't record that, but here's the finished product. Some barrel twist going straight to the back. This two-strand twist on the end. Here's the cut. Nice ball fade. And I also did like a little design on the side. So, yeah, this is it. I'm gonna let y'all take a look at it again. Gary, spin around. Y'all hear people in the background, but don't pay that no mind. Alright. They nice and neat. Alright. I'm gonna close out with you. Ooh. I look a mess, don't pay me no mind. But I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. I also want to thank you guys again for getting that other video I did with him to almost 3K views. Y'all keep doing it. I want you guys to
like and subscribe.
Yeah, like my like this video, subscribe to my channel. Also click the little notification bell next to the subscribe button and be notified for more videos. And yeah, it's your girl Jessica, the girl with the pretty long hair.